To make a successful presentation, we should remember some rules. And for that, we have to understand how we can make it. A good understanding of the goals is a must before accomplishing any task. And at the same time, understanding that it also applies for the successful presentation is the much more important. Imagine if you are taking out any toll test, whoever reaches the destination first is the winner of the race. You will immediately wonder what is the destination, who else are competing, what are the winning, who will be winning, what the winner will get, so on. Obviously, such kind of questions will definitely come in your mind, and it is a natural. The same applies to the successful presentation. One needs to have a clear understanding what makes the presentation successful so that it will be entailing us in approaching it. Some of the essential aspects for making the successful presentation are who are our audience, what the content should be, how we can make it deliverable, what shall be the design. Remember, all this plays a very important role towards making the successful presentation. So, we are how to understand our audience. If you fail to plan who will be attending us, we will fail to plan. Similarly, and if you want to have our effective public speaking, then it is important to have our plans and our content shall be ready willingly, and keeping our content to the needs of the audience plays a very important role. We have to understand what are the different kinds of the audience. Here, the audience are basically the two. First, who wants to willingly wants to attend us. Second, who are being forced and there are really no other option rather than hearing you. Obviously, when others are forcing you for attending it, then you have no other option either to say no. But here the no option doesn't comes because they are forcing you to attend. So in that case, we have to attend their presentation. Sometimes, often a good leader's presentation or the skill or the way they communicate, we try to hear them. Why is it? Because we are having that feeling of happiness, feeling of emotional, feeling of inspiration that makes us towards approaching them. So, similarly, there are understanding who is our audience plays a very important role. Here, there are the types of audience includes the voluntary audience and the captive audience. Voluntary audience is someone who chooses you and have willingness to attend you. Their interest in the presentation which we are going to deliver is strong. Quite often, it is challenging very less, but their effort is less to keep them more engaged. Engaging them is much more important. The second kind of audience are the captive audience who really have no other choice rather than to attend them. Their interest, as they're being forced, their interest is weak. There are more challenges attending the requirements of this audience and more to keep them engaged. So this is the basically we have to understand what kind of audience we are dealing with and what should be the core areas of how making the presentation in an effective way. This is important and critical for considering because the tone and the agenda of your speech will determine on largely whether our audience is happy, willingness, and what the audience wants from us to hear. These are some of the most important things which we have to understand before delivering the presentation. So, this is the first kind of thing in making the successful presentation, that is the audience. Remember, especially while addressing the captive audience, connect with the audience by understanding what is their pain, and it will be making understanding and making the experience meaningful for them. So here we have to understand what is the pain of the captive audience and how we can make it interesting so that it will be better for them to understand it. The second is much more important, is the fatal assumption. There are several assumptions which we make about our audience which are seriously derailing the efforts in connecting with them. Here are some of the fatal assumptions which we are going to understand soon.